This body butter will moisturize your skin, even out dull skin, and glow your skin so well. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Clara and this is Clara's Corner. In today's video I want to show you guys how to make this beautiful body butter right here. If you're new here, you are welcome. In this channel I make tutorial videos of household products, skincare tips, and Nigerian food recipes. I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel to gain more amazing content. The first ingredient we are going to be using in making this body butter is butters, of course. And the butters I have here are shea butter and mango butter, but you can choose to use any other butter you wish to. I am using shea butter because it is very moisturizing, very affordable, and very accessible. Same goes to mango butter. Mango butter is highly moisturizing. That is why I'm using these two combinations to make this glowing body butter. I'm going to be transferring these butters into a glass jar for the melting process to take place. I'm also going to be pairing these butters with 3 other carrier oils that have great skin benefits in them. These oils are highly moisturizing, lightweight, and also contain anti-inflammatory properties in them. The first oil I have here is Jojoba Oil. The second one is Tumeric Oil, and the third one is Argan Oil. These oils have great benefits on the skin. That is why I'm pairing them with these butters. Next I'm going to be using is emulsifying wax, also known as e-wax. This is going to serve as a thickener and is going to keep the butter from melting and also make it fluffy. The next one is stearic acid. Stearic acid is going to be our core thickener. Is going to do similar job as of the e-wax. They are all oil soluble and they are going to keep the body butter solid, fluffy, and creamy. Next, I'm going to be using double boiling method to melt the combination of these ingredients into a liquid form. The butters, the oils, the waxes, and the stearic acid. I'm going to melt them in a double boiling method. Double boiling method is getting a pot of hot water and putting the cup of your ingredients into it to dissolve completely. What I have here now is our main ingredient. This is Sepi white powder. Sepi white powder is a lightening active. It will help in lightening the skin, reviving the dullness of the skin. It is the major ingredient and it is what is going to give that lightening effect on the skin in this body butter. Make sure to watch this video to the end because the full recipe will be at the end of the video. Right here I'm adding the Sepi white active powder into the melting butters because it's also oil soluble. I'm going to stir everything together to hasten the melting process of these ingredients. everything is completely dissolved. You can see in the video everything is completely dissolved. So I'm going to transfer into this bowl right here, allow it to cool for some time. Then the next thing to do is to pop it into the freezer, get it solidified for the next process, which is mixing it up into a fluffy butter. And here is what our body butter is looking like after 30 minutes in the freezer. As you can see, it is completely solidified, and now it is time to whip this. I have my electric stick blender here, and this is what we are going to be using to whip our body butter. Guys, if you're still watching this video, can't you see how fluffy this body butter is already becoming? Can't you see? It's already looking so fluffy, so beautiful, so creamy. Cool. Guys, if you're watching this video up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, send in your comments and questions, and don't forget to also turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post other amazing contents. Guys, don't you love how fluffy this body butter is looking like? Next, we are going to be doing our finishing touches. I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil into our body butter. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that will help prolong the shelf life of this butter. And I'm also going to be adding sweet orange essential oil to give this body butter a nice scent. Yeah, this is our finishing touches. What I'm using here is vitamin E capsule. Either you use the vitamin E oil in oil form, or you get the capsule and add into it to have a beautiful, nice made product. And here is the final mix of this body butter. After mixing it, finally I'm going to package it in a container. Package it in a container for the skin to receive all this goodness. This is so lovely. The way it's looking is the same way it's going to be on the skin. This body butter glows the skin effortlessly. It's so beautiful on the skin. Guys, this is a very good product to use if you have a dry skin. Even if you don't have a dry skin, it's good for every skin type. Body butter makes the skin so glowy and beautiful. Our advice, if you're using any kind of products that is not giving you what you desire, go for body butter. Body butter is going to make your skin look so supple and beautiful. Try it and thank me later. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content that you will love so much. Thank you so much for your love, your support, for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.